so all the so the name of the standard model, which is the template material, there is a standard connector ID that the system creates, and the name of the connector, as we have already discussed, is material. So uh, these attributes, they get defined. There is also a status that gets updated. So from the previous step, when the connector gets created, then usually this status is something like preparing, and then it will get transferred into prepared, and after that once this connector gets prepared, there is a subsequent step which is called as through this action, which is called prepare indexing. So first the connector has to be built, has to be prepared, and then after this we need to schedule an indexing process. So once this indexing process gets completed, then the status of this connector becomes it get into an active status. Now in order to do the mapping for this particular connector, so I'll cancel it for the time being. You then need to select your connector and go to modular, and uh, within modular you will then select your own application and go to the edit mode. So this is the newly created software component, and when I scroll this, so basically there are two steps. Either if the template connector do not have the necessary fields, then we go into the modular, and through the modular we then do the mapping. So like we see here, we will again navigate to the connector. So LOMDMM, so this is the name of the template, and from here, in order to do the field mapping, we can then go to the edit mode. So I have selected this connector, go to edit mode, say yes. Do you want to enhance this model? So we say yes, and within this modular for search applications, we will then first define the nodes. So usually the first step is the top node is material, and then using this option of update node, we will first update, and this update usually will lead to the addition of the various attributes that is already part of our structure. So previously we know that we have through SMT tool, we have and through the generation of the database structures, we have seen that our structure already contains the Z fields, and now the search connector has to be updated with those G fields, like we see here: ZZ code, ZZ9 product category. These are the fields which are now part of this uh, material node after we perform this update option. Now once uh, this is done, then we move to the next step in the modular, and